Hello everyone and welcome in today's lecture with Miss Rahan. Now in today's lecture we're going to be talking about accounting versus bookkeeping. Now what are the definition of bookkeeping and accounting? Now accounting اللي هي المحاسبة is defined as a science or art that requires the use of mathematical skills to conduct financial transactions related to the company in order to know its financial conditions based on the information obtained from bookkeeping. Now bookkeeping is the daily recording يعني التسجيل اليومي of financial transactions as part of the accounting process. يعني bookkeeping هو part of the accounting process يعني جزء من عملية المحاسبة. Let's go and see each one of them in details. Now bookkeeping is the process of documenting daily transactions اللي هي المعاملات every day such as purchases, sales, invoices, and receipts, and is an essential element for obtaining the financial information required to run the company successfully. It means that it is a very important and vital element to run a company successfully. Now, the bookkeeping process includes the following elements. First of all, restricting the record of commercial and financial transactions, registering debit and credit accounts in the designated books, enter receipts and invoices, preparing financial statements like balance sheets, statement of cash flows, and income statements, following up the recording the transactions of subsidiaries and the general ledger in the correct chronological order and ensuring their balance. What else? The payroll preparation. Now the principles of bookkeeping. Now one of the most important ways to maintain accurate bookkeeping is by keeping the general ledger up to date, which is a simple document used by the bookkeeper to record the amount received from sales receipts and expenditures and to carry out the transfer of those transactions is known as the posting process. Now, the degree of complexity of the bookkeeping system may vary from one company to another, depending on various factors, including the size of the company and the volume of transactions that are processed in it on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. The larger the company, the more work it needs. Now let's move to the second point, which is accounting. Now, accounting is a broad science involved in designing bookkeeping systems and setting appropriate controls for them to ensure that financial events and data collected by the bookkeeper or business owner are recorded correctly. The accounting process is more comprehensive than bookkeeping, as the latter is originally part of accounting, and the bookkeeping is part of accounting. Now, accounting includes the following elements. First of all, record transactions in which costs incurred by the company but not credited are entered into the bookkeeping process and adjusted as needed. What else? Preparing the company's financial accounts and prepare the costs and expenses of running the business in the company. Then, preparing annual tax reports for the company. What else? Providing the owner of the company with records and data that help him make sound financial decisions for the interest of the business. Now, the working principle of accounting. The accounting process includes reviewing financial information to help make the best choices for the company, which provide its owners with a deeper understanding of the current value of the company, its assets, financial liabilities, and any other activity that helps it achieve the desired profits. Accounting also converts the data in the general ledger into a comprehensive document that helps decision makers see the overall picture of the organization and know many general matters about it, such as cash flow, strategic tax planning, evaluation of the company's performance, and analysis of its current financial position, and also making logical future forecasts واللي هي توقعات and expectations, as well as tax reporting. So we do not exaggerate by saying that accounting is the backbone of any enterprise, small or large. يعني المحاسبة هي العمود الفقري, the backbone of any enterprise or firm, either it is small or large. That's all for today. Thank you so much for your attention and see you in the next lecture if God will. Take care.